In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Black Ops 3 offline on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Black Ops 3 on PC. However, anything that I say on this video will also apply for the PlayStation version and the Xbox versions of this game, so it is going to be the same across all platforms. This game can be played offline. Of course, you won't be able to access the multiplayer modes, but there is still a lot to do even if you are completely disconnected from the internet. So when you boot up Black Ops 3, you will see this message: you are playing offline. The game might attempt to connect to an online session, so if you go over to play online or find game, or sometimes it will do this on boot, it is going to go through and try to search for a network connection, and if it can't find one, you will be put into offline mode. In here, you can access zombies, campaign, and possibly some alternative modes. But like I said, for the most part, you have access to everything. So you can do the campaign by yourself, you can play zombies, and you can add a controller for split screen. So if you have an additional controller connected to your PC, you can press any button on it and you will start doing split screen, which allows you to do local play with other people who are in the same room or console or PC as you. And you will be able to start the game by yourself. You will see the offline text below any mode that you choose, indicating that you are playing solo. And besides this, there isn't much else to do. You can access the campaign, you can access zombies, you can do local play, and that's pretty much it. The only thing that you are locked from accessing are the multiplayer modes, and you cannot connect with other people online. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.